What's up, guys? Welcome to another day of HellaStance. What we doing today is bleeding the clutch line off the MR2. Now we bought a brand new master clutch cylinder, and we have a brand new slave, but we're not getting any pressure. So with my intensive research over Google, I heard that you have to bleed the clutch in 3 different places. So you probably need a 2-person to do this job, or you need 1 person. But if you do 1 person, you probably need like a breaker bar so you could put it on the clutch pedal. But we're gonna show you how to bleed it and where to bleed it from. Okay, so the first bleed is from here. The second bleed is from here, right over the negative terminal, right here. I'm sorry, right there or right there, either or. And then the third terminal is all the way from the master, the slave, and that's, everybody know where the slave at. So the reason why, the reason why they bleed it through those lines is because the MR2 is notorious for all these degree angle and everything, so there's air trapped in there. So if you're buying a brand new master and you're having problems bleeding, this is probably why. So the technique on all 3 methods and all 3 location is you have someone pump and you press down on the pedal, and when he's pressing down on the pedal, or you put your breaker bar on the clutch pedal, you kind of loosen it and you hear air comes out, and then you kind of tighten it. You do it again 2-3 times and move on to the next 30 times.
So the clutch pedal.
Yep. So pump it 30 times.
Right now?
Yep. 1.
30 times? Or was it for like 30 seconds?
The 30 seconds actually, but I say 30 times. And when he pumps it for 30 seconds, we are going to loosen this first bolt right here. Right there, that first bolt. Alright, press down. Oh, that was good. Oh, right there. You see the bubble?
Yeah, I heard it.
Yes. Yes. Pump it 30 more times. Press down. There's still air. Yes. You hear that, guys? Right there. You see that, all that bubbles? See where all that bubbles coming out from, guys? Right there. See all those bubbles? That is from this. That was 3 times, and there's still bubbles in there. Now we tighten it. So we let Gurmo. Now we tighten it. See all those bubbles coming out while I'm spinning it. Pump it again. Press down. See that bubble, guys? You see that? Oh my gosh. All the bubbles. I think we're good on this. Let's tighten it back up. So if you notice, I'm doing a crisscross action. Every time I turn this, I crisscross this. just so I can have more leverage or more. All right, pump it. All right, guys. Now we're doing the second clutch line. So Gurmo's still in the car. He's still pumping. Now the second line would be here, right here. So we are going to take it off from, I think either there or there. I'm still debating. If we take it off from here, we gotta remove all of this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna remove this and take it off from the top. So then the bubble, I can see the bubble come up from here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it off from this top instead. So this one looks like a number 12. I think it's a 12. Let me try it out. It is a number 12. Yes, it's still a number 12. Still a number 12, guys. So I'm gonna bleed it from this top just because the air bubble goes to the top. I don't want to do it right here because, yeah, the air bubbles. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it from top. But to do the top, I'm gonna have to take this little. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I just bent it. Oh my gosh! I just bent it. Hopefully that's not that bad. Make sure you guys don't do what I did. I kind of just took a clamp and kind of clamped it. This is for your heater. So I kind of like bent it. So I got to make it into a perfect circle again. So it's pretty easy to do that. You just take a little number 10 bolt, just put it in and then just roll it around in circles. And that's really important right there, guys. So make sure you guys don't do that like I did. So we are bleeding it from here. Number 12. Okay, Gurmo's pumping it. All right, press down. Oh, right there. You see that? Oh, right there. You see it? See all that air? See all that air bubble, guys? Woo! I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, the air bubble right there. And then tighten it back. All right, pump it. Hold it down. See that? See all that air? Ooh, look at that bubbles. Pump it. Press it down. All right, pump it. Press down. All that bubble. Whew. Let's try it again. Pump it. Press down. Pump it. Press down. There it goes. See that bubble right there? See that bubble, guys? Oh, that's what we want right there. All that bubble to come out. Okay, pump it again. The one reason why I'm pumping it from here is because if the bubble is trapped up here, most likely it was gonna come out from here. If I do it from here, it kind of, you see it? The air bubble goes up. Press down. Ooh, it's getting better now. Pump it. Is it actually working. It's going down. It was at full, so it's working. Pump it. I mean, press down. And oh, right there. You hear that? Woo! We're getting somewhere, boy. Pump it. Don't be like me and just clamp it. So what I'm doing now is taking bigger sizes and putting it in, and then moving it up and down so it could get into shape. And once it's into shape, then we're good. So I'm just rolling it around so I could get that perfect circle straight. Perfect circle. So it looks like a perfect circle again. Looks like it's not crimped as much. So last location of the clutch line would not be here, but it would be the slave. I'm sorry. The last location will be the slave. So it's the number 8 for the slave. For my case is I have a K series, so that line comes all the way from that line to here, and from that to this. All right, so pump it, Germo. All right, press down. Oh, I hear it. You hear the oil, guys? I mean, you hear the, look at that. I have it to a drain tube. Pump it. Oh, it's working, guys. It's working. It is working. Look at that. Look, do you see that? It is working. Yep. Press down. I'm so excited. We're gonna get this baby running. Pump it. Is it hard?
Yeah, like how it should.
Yep. See that, guys? Sorry about my GoPro shadow, but you see that? It is pumping. It is actually working.
Oh, what stage is it?
Stage 3.
Oh, that's why.
I have a stage 3 clutch. All right, press down. Pump it. There it goes, guys. I just showed you how to bleed an MR2. Press down. Pump it. Woo, it's going. Look at that.
You're going empty, man?
All right, guys. So that's all you really need. All you need is brake fluid, a number 12, and a number 8. Or you could do this as well. I buy this special tool. It has a number 10 and a number 12. And so you don't have to strip it. It's like about $10 at your Harbor Freight, or I think I got this one at O'Reilly's. We're not sponsored, so yeah, make sure you buy that. So all you need is the number 12 and the number 8, and you should be okay with brake fluid. And you have those 3 points. Make sure you don't clamp those heater hose. That's the heater hose right there. I'm gonna have to put a new ring over that, and we should be good. So other than that, we did it. I showed you the 3 points of where you have to bleed this MR2. It's kind of ridiculous, but I did it. I hope you guys like the do-it-yourself video, and if you guys make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, because there's going to be more MR2 stuff. We're trying to get this out and running probably by tomorrow. So thank you guys for subscribing, and remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, peace out, guys.